Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. There she is, 2016 Raptor 700R, brand new 2015 SE black plastics, 2020 hood and tank cover, Moose Racing Shorty clutch lever, ODI grips, ram mount, Alba Gas Cap, new Motorsports black gloss black cam cover. More on that coming up, you guys. I painted my warning label removers. They need to be redone. Obviously, they're not the same blue. If you, well, I don't know, in the camera, they look a lot closer than what they really look like. There's the standard Alba bumper. I have the GYTR front bumper coming. DRW Case Saver, obviously. LS4 fibers frame guards. There you see it right there. That's the frame guard right there with the DRW Case Saver. Like I said, sprockets and chain being replaced currently. Full HMF system. Also, check out these, what I did with the Auravie tags. I bought a $5 Velcro kit on Amazon. Just so happens that they are exactly the size, almost exactly in width anyway, of the Auravie stickers. So I laid down 2 Velcro strips on the plastics themselves, and then the sticky Velcros I just glued or just placed these on the other part of the Velcro and stuck them there. That way, if I want to remove them, I can remove these and stick them on another vehicle, so on and so forth. So pretty cool. I'm actually quite proud of myself for that. What else? Oh, the frame guards right here on this side, I just have them zip tied. As you can see, I got adhesive in there. It's holding up really well. Yeah, the pipe came out pretty good. I painted the pipe again. And that's pretty much it, guys, for right now. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me a lot about it, wanting to see it. I've been wanting to show it to you guys, but there she is. So leave your comments down below, and we'll see you on the trail.